Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you an incoming swap from my group from Janae. I do have a Facebook group that we do swaps on, and it's Daisy Deb Crafts, if you're interested in joining. Anyway, I want to show you, we have an ongoing flower swap, and we did a red, white, and blue swap. And so let me show you what she sent me for the flowers. I haven't opened them. I don't want to open them because I love the cute packaging and everything, but I will use them later on. But look at this. Look at all these cute little flowers. Oh my goodness. And she sent me 2 packages. Look at these. I love these colors. I mean, I'm just so cute. She went with the red, white, and blue theme and everything, and I think they are just beautiful. Love them. Thank you, Janae. Those are so pretty. Okay, and let me show you what else she sent me. Oh my goodness. So I try to keep everything intact because until I'm ready to use it, and I don't like to take things apart, but I'm going to. Oh my goodness, this is just so pretty. So let me see if I can get it out of here. I didn't want to rip the bag, but I'm going to have to. And that's okay, because I'll put it in a different bag. Look at this. It's a loaded pocket. I have these flowers not in this color from Hobby Lobby. Used to sell them a long time ago, and I have like black, pink, and some different colors, but these are just so beautiful. I love this paper clip. Thank you so much. I love everything. But let me go ahead and show you everything in the loaded pocket. And pardon the sunlight coming in. It's a bad time for me to be filming right now, but look, red, white, and blue fingernails. I need these. I need some fingernails. My fingernails are looking bad because I took off my gel nails or dip nails, whatever they're called. Anyway, those are cute. Cute. And then here's some ribbon. Look at that. I love how she put it on that paper. How cute is that? And then some tickets. I love the tickets. Just love them. Look at that. Where did you get these? Did you make them? Do you have a die for that? I need to know what that is all about. And then little paper clip. Oh my goodness, how cute. And how cute is all of this red, white, and blue things that I can use for junk journaling and red, white, and bloom. How cute is that? And then she sent me some seeds. This does grow here, so I'm very familiar with that, and I will plant that next year. I do have a flower garden, several little sections of flowers, and I will do that. Okay, and then some stickers, the star stickers. How pretty. And look how pretty that paper is. Oh my gosh, and look at the bingo card. Okay, I love that. And then the stars, more stars. I can definitely use those. And then how cute is this? Some different, like a card flip that I can use. And then I am going to open this real quick. Oh my goodness. Little bits and pieces of paper. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love to take stuff like this and make those snippets, but also to use my punch to make, what do you call those? Those page tabs. That's awesome. Okay, and then she sent me some washi tape. Nice. Thank you. I'll use that for sure. And then a little notepad. Oh my goodness, sticky notepad with red, white, and blue. And then look at this envelope. Oh my goodness. How cute is that loaded? Oh, and then she sent me another thing of that vanilla midnight tea. That stuff is good. That's real good. And then the pen. Oh, how nice. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And it looks like you sent me two. Did you want me... Okay, hold on. And I sent an extra in case you want to do a giveaway to promote our swaps. Yes, I do. So, guys, look at this, what Janae sent. Okay. This is awesome. I'm going to give this one away. And since she designated that one to give away. So if you're interested in getting this, USA addresses only, please. Go ahead and comment in the comment section, red, white, and bloom. See it right here? Red, white, and bloom. Those are your words. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. She did such a theme on this, red, white, and bloom. Okay, make sure that you comment red, white, and bloom, USA addresses only, and I'm giving this one away. Thank you, Janae, for giving this, for making an extra one so we could give it away. Oh my goodness, that is so fun. But look at the back, the paper she used is so incredibly beautiful. Janae, if you can comment what this paper is, I would love to know, because this is just so gorgeous and I want it. Anyway, okay, red, white, and bloom. That's your comment for the comment section to win this. I will do a drawing for the Friday video, okay? So the winner will be announced in the Friday video this upcoming Friday. All right, guys. That video posts at 6 a.m., so you have until midnight tomorrow, which is Thursday, to go ahead and comment. This is so generous. Thank you so much, Janae. Oh my goodness. How fun is that? Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Let me get this posted up so you guys can comment and try to win this loaded pocket with red, white, and bloom beauty. All right. Bye, guys.